Success is not defined by the size of the house that you live in, but instead it is defined by the quality of life that you are living. If you are watching this video, I'm very sure you have witnessed how vibrant Nairobi real estate is becoming. We have toured so many areas around Nairobi CBD that includes Westlands, Lavington, Kileleshwa, Kilimani, and Parklands. And we have seen that so many developers are concentrating on 1, 2, and 3 bedroom apartments. And our question has always been, what happens to the big wealthy families who would want to settle down in this city and still enjoy the social amenities that comes with living in Nairobi? Today we are in the heart of Kileleshwa and we want to give you a thorough tour of this 5-bedroom condo with a print area of 367 square meters at a starting price of 39 million Kenya shillings only. 5 bedrooms are not the only units that we have in this development. This developer is also giving you 3-bedroom apartments with a print area starting from 205 square meters and 4-bedroom apartments with a print area starting from 228 square meters. The prices of the 3-bedroom will start from 24 million Kenya shillings and the price of the 4-bedroom apartment will start from 26 million Kenya shillings. This is the family meetup place and it can also be used as an office. We are going to start the tour. My name is Mungai Kihara and you are watching African Real Estate, and make sure you subscribe to this channel. Let's go to the main entrance and start the tour. When you decide to purchase a unit of this magnitude, there is something that becomes very important, and that is a foyer. This space welcomes you to the unit, and as you get in, it reveals the quality and the amount of money that you've spent on such a unit. The developer has not failed because he has given you a very wide foyer, and it comes with some compartments here where you can hang your coat and some spaces where you can leave your shoes. The main entrance is a steel double door that comes with 2 smart locks, and that means that each door can be opened independently using a different password. Each unit comes with an entrance porch like this one, and this is where you can decide to use the main door to the inside of the unit, or you can decide to use the extra door that takes you to the employee quarters and through the kitchen. Each unit gets a private elevator, and it is next to me, and each floor gets 4 elevators, 1 elevator for each unit, because each floor has 2 5-bedroom units and each of them gets an elevator. You are also getting 2 extra elevators for every other person. As I mentioned earlier, the unit is a 5-bedroom, and you witness the magnitude of the spaces that the developer has given you. From the foyer, you are welcomed to the main living room, and it is a combination of a living room and a dining area. The dining space is big enough to give you a space to do an 8-seater dining set like this one, or you can do a bigger 12-seater dining set, which can start from there all the way to this other end. The good thing about it is that the developer has given the dining area space next to the kitchen, which we will see in a minute. Let's talk about the living room. A space like this is what you need when you have a family of more than 5 people. Right now, we are getting a 10-seater couch. That is a 5-seater. Another 5-seater, and you have 2 seats over here to make it a 12-seater couch. If you have a big family or you live with the extended family, this would be a perfect place for you. Behind me, you have the focal point of this living room, and that is where you are supposed to do your 90-inch TV. And on the side of the TV, you have several compartments where you can do your paintings. Owning a unit like this becomes classier if you can enjoy indoor sophistication and outdoor sophistication. And by outdoor sophistication, I mean the views that you can enjoy from the balcony or the indoor environment that you can enjoy when owning such a home. Let's go to the balcony and see what the developer has done. From there, you can agree with me that the size of this balcony is just crazy. It is enormous, more than 20 square meters of a balcony, and from the higher floors, it is going to give you the best views of Lavington area. And as most of you know, Lavington is very green and very, very beautiful. As you can see, you also get a massive access, which also acts as a window to give the living room very good natural light. As I mentioned, the dining space is just next to the kitchen, which we are going to see now. And on this other side, you have some spaces where you can create a cabinetry to keep the cutlery that you regularly use. Welcome to the kitchen. Wow, wow, wow. This is very interesting. I'm loving how the developer was able to maintain the quality that you get in the living room and the other spaces to the kitchen, because most developers don't know how to do kitchens. Look at it. The balance of colors is very nice, and you're getting lower and upper cabinets that come in a large number to make sure that all your utensils, cutlery, and crockery can be hidden there when you are not using them. This space has been reserved for your cooktop, and it should be big for a 6-burner cooktop. A heat extractor will be added here, and on my far front, that's where we are going to do an oven and a microwave. Let's talk about this other side. This developer has given you a double sink, and this becomes very important when you are washing and rinsing your utensils. You are also going to get a water purifier to make sure that all the water that you drink in these premises will be cleaned and very well purified. This void has been left for your dishwasher, and this cabinetry will have a transparent door for you to keep the things that you like your friends to see. The door is opening to the rear side of the unit, where we have the laundry area and the employee quarters. The employee quarters that the developer is giving you is a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom unit, and that becomes very important, especially when you want your employees to enjoy such a home. On this other side of the kitchen, you have the spaces that I mentioned for your microwave and oven, and this is where you are supposed to do your side-by-side refrigerator. Next to it, you get the pantry of this 5-bedroom unit, and it has been partitioned very well to fit all your dry foods. From here, we proceed to the bedroom areas. We have seen most of you asking us on the comment section, Mungai Kihara, do these units come furnished? Of course not. They come empty, but we can give you our interior designer to give you something like this. All this other section has been reserved to act as a private space. And to welcome you to the space, you get this lounge area or a meetup point where you can discuss details with your family. You can also use it as a study or an home office. Just look at it. It has been done very well, and it comes with computers where you can do your assignments, or if you're working, this is where you can do all your digital works. The compartments are very many for you to keep your favorite books, and if you have students in school, you can give them a section for them to enjoy. On this other side, you have the bedrooms and the common washroom. It has been done very well, and that should be used by the guests who will visit this house. This is the first bedroom, and it is targeting your guests because it is the closest to the common areas. As you can see, it has been done very well. The space is enormous to have a 5x6 bed like this one, and you have some spaces where you can do some side drawers. The developer went ahead and gave you a study table, and this is where your guests can sit down, talk to their friends, or maybe enjoy a book. On this other side, you get the wardrobe for this bedroom, and as you can see, it has been partitioned very well, coming with spaces for the hangable clothes, drawers down there, and some spaces for the foldable clothes. The bathroom to this bedroom is here, and it has been done very well, coming with a vanity, a WC, and a shower cubicle. Most developers tend to do the primary bedroom away from the common spaces, and that is not very nice. The primary bedroom requires to be in a strategic place where you can access all the other bedrooms just in case the kids have a problem, and this is what this developer has done. Before we get into the primary bedroom, you get a section of the wall which has been reserved for the paintings. Just look at it. I love it. I love how the developer was able to create this pattern. A good picture or a good idea of how you will stage your unit. From the main entrance of the primary bedroom, you can see that this space is enormous. The ceiling heights are very good, and you are getting very nice light fixtures. The closet of the master bedroom will start from there. This is a show house, so some of the things have not been added. The closet will start from here to this end. That is the normal closet, and you get a walk-in closet next to me. We will see that in a sec. What I want us to talk about right now is the space that you get as the sleeping space. As you can see, the space is easily capable to fit a 6x6 bed or a customized bed. And on this other space, you will get a very nice section where you can create a sitting area and you can enjoy coffee with your partner, maybe a pint of wine before you enjoy the sleep, or you can take a book from those shelves and enjoy it together. As I mentioned earlier, this bedroom comes with a walk-in closet. Come close, I want to show you. And it has been partitioned very well to fit the clothes of you and your partner. You get a space where you can set a small dresser, and on this other side, you have a space where you can keep the foldable clothes. On my left-hand side of the walk-in closet, you get the master bathroom. In here, we get a double vanity that comes standard. You also get a very big mirror to make sure that you can look at yourself because you are rich. On this other side, you get your bathtub. If you would want a jacuzzi, that one can be done. And on my far left, you have your shower cubicle that is next to the WC. I told you the positioning of the primary bedroom is excellent because you can easily enjoy the meetup area or your office. Let's see the rest of the 3 bedrooms. To access the other 3 bedrooms, you get this walkway, and it is wide enough for 2 people to pass each other. This is the first bedroom, or the 3rd bedroom, the 4th bedroom, and the 5th bedroom. Let's see each of them. From the entrance of this bedroom, you can see we get a closet on this side and a closet on the other side. But before we see all that, this is the bathroom because each bedroom comes en suite. And at the entrance of the bathroom, you get a vanity, a WC at the center, and a shower cubicle which comes with a hard head and a rain shower. A double towel holder is necessary and very common in this type of houses. This is the sleeping space of the third bedroom, and it comes with 2 beds just in case you have twins. This side has been reserved for the closet, and it is floor to ceiling and very well partitioned. The other closet is just next to the door. Welcome to the 4th bedroom, and it is a replica of the 3rd, coming with a closet here and a closet on my right. The bathroom is adopting a similar concept to the one that we saw in the 3rd bedroom. What we get is just 1 bed. This bedroom and the 5th bedroom are targeting your bigger children or your teenagers. As you can see, they come with a bigger bed, 5x6, and you still get some spaces for the side drawers. What we have not talked about is the size of the windows that you get in each room, and as you can see, it is massive to give you enough natural light. As usual, you get 2 closets, a bigger one on this side and a smaller one on this other side. We are finally at the last bedroom, and this is the 5th bedroom. It has been done excellently. I don't know who it is targeting, so you can tell me if you have a big family. As you can see, it comes with a substantial space where you can do your bed, 2 side drawers, you have spaces and nice walls where you can do your paintings. The ceiling heights are excellent for you to do chandeliers like this, and this is where you get your closet, floor to ceiling as usual, and done very well. What I love most is the partitioning that the developer has done and the blend of colors in each bedroom. The bedroom comes en suite as usual, and it is enjoying all the features that we saw in all the other bedrooms. You have a mini dresser here where you can maybe sit and do your makeup. Purchasing such a unit through us is very simple. You just need to call us. We will send you the videos of the units, we will send you the comparables, and then you'll tell us the units that you would want to see. We will take you for a site visit. You select your best, and we will start with the legal process or the purchase process. We will guide you through everything, and we'll only leave you when you tell us that you are satisfied with what you wanted. Anyway, that's the end of the video, and we will see you in the next one. Ciao.